Hey, homies. Hey. Yeah, I'm trying to get this camera thing adjusted right. So, excuse me as I work on it. Okay? All right, let's see. Can you see? We're trying to get my... Oh, sorry. We're trying to make sure you can see the table. Because today, Yana will be teaching me how to make slime, okay? We're not gonna go too long, and if you haven't already, don't forget to do what?
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. We want all the suggestions. But y'all want us to come and do this slime, y'all, and y'all have to excuse me because we doing a seafood mukbang, sorry, and I'm still working on this light. I don't know why I keep going off on me like that, and it's so far over there. Okay, y'all, here we go. We getting stuff together, okay? All right, Yana, come on, show me.
So first,
you want me to do it or you gonna do it? Oh, excuse me.
First, you will need a bowl, something to mix with. Oh, then you will need glue.
I'll be your model. Okay.
Then you'll need Tide. You get Tide from the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, that came from the Dollar Tree, that's Tide. This also came from the Dollar Tree. And this came from my good old stove fridge, y'all. I love the fridge. All right.
And then these.
Oh, that's to store your slime in. I know that much because I had to get that too. All right. And then you need something to mix it in. All right.
Okay.
Let's get it.
So, first, you need to put your mixing.
Y'all keep talking. I'm sorry.
Mixing.
I'm trying to make sure.
Fork, whatever. In the container where you gotta store your slime in. Then you gotta take the glue. Open the glue.
You gotta open it? Oh, Jesus. We got paper towel here.
And pour it in the bowl.
No, man, you be making a little bit or you making a lot?
Right.
Oh, Lord. Jesus. So how long with the glue last year?
3 months.
3 months?
Yep.
If you're making a little. But this is going to be a lot.
Yeah.
I can't. Y'all, the bowl white, the glue white. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay.
Then, just to get, if it have air bubbles in it, you gotta stir it.
Something I said, Mama, I need a spoon. I said, wait a minute, baby. You need a real spoon? No, ma'am. You ain't got nothing to sit there on when you finish now. I don't do no messes. Mess. Okay.
Okay. So when you stir it up, then you need to add the shaving cream.
I should let you been on this side. My bad. I thought I was gonna be making some.
Oh, you want to?
No, go ahead, baby. You go ahead, baby. Do what you do, baby. Do what you do. Yeah, I tried to catch it. I heard it couldn't off that time. I tried to catch it before it went off on me. Okay, I heard this.
You want to do the shaving cream?
Okay, you gonna tell me when to stop? Thank you. I appreciate you, baby. I appreciate you. How much? How much to do? Okay, we're doing the shaving cream. Everything is white on white. I should have got a different color.
Okay.
That's enough?
Yep, that's enough.
Okay.
Right now.
All right.
No, you need more.
I need more shaving cream?
Yep.
Okay, y'all. She said I need more shaving cream. Let's see if we could. Y'all finna play with this with us.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute. Which one? That one?
That one. I don't know.
And turn it down a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. Hey. All right. So now y'all can see the shaving cream. And she said I need more.
Stop.
Okay.
So now
We finished with this?
Yeah, we finished.
Okay, so we
For
go
right
put
now.
we go add some more?
Probably.
Oh, Jesus. All right, y'all. So we're going to cover that up. I'm sorry, y'all can't. Huh?
Yeah, turn the light back on.
The light is on. What you want to back up high?
Yep.
Oh, Jesus, be a fence. You want it still on that cover?
No, the regular color.
What was the regular color?
Right there. Do it.
This one?
No.
Because
Go
it's down.
more.
It's down.
Right there.
No, I just turned it up.
Oh.
Okay,
So now
sorry,
you
y'all.
gotta-
We getting it together. Y'all getting it together with us. Hey, homies. Hey, hey, homies. All right, I'm sorry. Go.
Now you gotta stir it up.
Okay, so we staring. We what that song go? Something about like the stir fry.
Cooking with my stir fry.
That's how it go. That's how I was whipping in the kitchen like it's stir fry or something.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, wait. Yeah. Trap
My
sound.
bad. It's who?
Huh?
Is what?
With the trap sound.
The trap sound.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's what they say in the song.
Oh, excuse me. I listen to gospel. My bad. I hear stuff every once in a while.
So you gotta keep stirring because you gotta mix it all with the glue.
Want me to stir some?
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna whip that thing. Go whip it. Yo, whip it good. Go whip it. Oh, the light. The light said you ain't whip it. Okay, y'all can watch me whip it.
Do you gotta
There we
push
go.
enter? Oh. I push enter.
It's all. It's because it's coming from the computer. We should have logged into the computer. Oh, we on the wrong thing anyway. We need some more glue, or this it?
Yeah, we need some more like glue. Because if you still like see like, let me just eat my glue.
We need more glue.
Yeah.
And more glue to it, y'all. If that light go off again here, I mean, shoot, it should go be off today. All right, we whip it.
And that's gonna be enough glue.
Whip it, whip it. Okay. Baby, this is all gonna be slime.
Yep.
Oh, little baby. It's gonna be a lot of slime.
Now
OMG.
that's enough.
That's enough whipping.
Yep.
I ain't got to whip no more. That was kind of fun. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. I got to go check on my food anyway. I got to check on the food anyway. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure. Okay. I'm sorry.
Like a whipped cream.
They sure look like whipped cream. Don't try to eat it. Don't eat the slime, okay? Do not eat the slime out there. This is not whipped cream. This is shaving cream and glue. It is not edible, okay? So we're not going to eat the slime. All right, here.
Safe.
All right.
But still don't eat it.
Oh, what's next?
Now you
Let me
gotta
go
put-
hit this. I'll be right back. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm doing two things at one time.
Now I gotta put the tie in it, okay? And what you gotta do with the tie, you gotta open the tie. You see it? Then you gotta smell the tie, because it smells so good. Then you gotta pour the tie.
So you gotta smell the tide?
Yep.
Lord Jesus. Be offense.
Pour it in a cup, about to right thick, about. I can't show you because then it's gonna spill.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me see. What you need to do?
It's gonna spill.
What's gonna spill?
There.
What is? Why it's gonna spill?
Because I want to show you how much you're supposed to need.
Oh, she got it filled to just like where this rim is. Okay, y'all. It's filled to where the rim is. Yana insists on having the lights on. Sorry. All right, so now we... What?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Because then y'all messed it up.
Well, how am I messing it up? I thought you teach. How you teaching me and you doing it? How I'm learning it and you
Because
doing
you
it?
ain't going to miss the slime.
That ain't right. That ain't right, y'all. Is that right? Like, you supposed to be teaching me how to do it and I'm hands-on. That still ain't having me. I don't get to do it.
Look, see. Okay.
She makes slime every day.
Hold my hand.
Nah, what I gotta hold your hand for? Go on, because you're making a mess. Look at your fingers. Oh, don't get that stuff everywhere. I don't like messes, y'all. Okay, go on. Wait a minute. Let me get you. Yeah. It like, I thought it was gonna go off again. Let me see if I can fix it. Okay, go on. Do what you're doing while I work on this over shelf.
Now you gotta pour it little by little. That's why I don't want her to do it. Sorry about the phone in the background. I think it's TT. Sorry about the phone in the background. Okay? But pour it little by little Because then if you pour all of it, it's going to get hard.
Hey.
That's why I didn't want my mama to do
All right.
it. Because she probably pour all up in there. But you don't want to do that. Now you got...
Yeah, that's what I'm working on.
Gotta pour just like a teeny bit, like that much.
Yeah, me and I'm gonna fly and stuff.
And mix it. You see how to mix it? But put like that much. You see that?
So, the same thing.
You can't see it because I don't want it to fall. Gotta be mixing real good. Cheese is real good. I don't even know how I'm saying it. Do I like cheese sticks? I don't know. It's weird.
No,
So fluffy. Sorry if you hear my mama in the background. Say, look at that. Right there. Right there. See that right there? Keep stirring. When it starts sticking like a spider web, then that's when you know it's almost ready. See?
All right, bye.
Look, you see it? It's like a spider web.
Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. My bad. She's still going. Y'all, that was my uncle on the phone. Hey, Unc, because I'm sure you probably go tune in. And he was talking about the seafood mukbang that we did, that we are going to do another one, or attempt another one tonight. And that's what he was talking about. I made him want to go get up and get some. And I said, well, we doing another one. Then he gonna say, well, next time you need to make sure you invite me over there, so I can be on there eating. Which I said, yeah, you'll build up my audience, because you a character. You are a character. It's hot, y'all. I'm sorry. Yana, I thought you said this will take 10 minutes. Why you have to make it so big? What we doing now?
Just stirring it and getting ready.
Oh, is it ready?
Almost.
Well, okay, so we just whipping it in the kitchen like it's stir fry. Uh-oh, I said it there. I said it right that time. Oh, you gotta keep adding it. So y'all see she doing little drips. And now you want what?
I said that was a big one.
That was a big drip. I'm sorry.
No, it was a little one. Because when you make it fluffy slime or any other slime, you gotta add little by little, but especially fluffy slime. Because all the fluffiness can make it hard.
So we doing fluffy slime?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm about to go in with my hands in a minute.
You about to go in with your hand?
Yeah.
Girl. Ooh. Okay, so children out there in YouTube land, don't y'all make this much. She should have did a little bit. I don't know nothing about it. But normally when I see her making it, she do little. She want to over exaggerate for the camera, I guess.
See that? You want to get something to do?
Nah, I won't touch that stuff.
She made slime for Christmas.
Can I change the light again, y'all, so y'all can see what she got going on? Yeah, I attempted to make it, but yeah, I do not want to touch that stuff. Yeah, no, honey. And how much more we got to go? I'm ready to eat. See, yeah, do not, please, because y'all, this stuff is so strong over here. Like, my eyes about to get the water, and I ain't even got holes to these dang on hot shrimp and crab legs they done gave me.
Come on.
Come on, what?
Yeah.
No, man, I got to eat, honey. I'm ready to wash my hands so I can eat. Look at that. Y'all see that? Is it ready?
Yeah. Okay, it's
Come on,
almost.
because you said 10 minutes now. We got almost 15 minutes in. Sorry, y'all. She is overdoing it. She is. Do not, let me repeat. do not follow these instructions. We're going to come back with another one where she's not making so much slime. She got me good. You got me good, girl. You did that on purpose. You knew that was going to be too much, didn't you?
Yep.
Yes, you did. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Y'all, baby, what time it is now? We got to eat. You got to go to bed so for school in the morning.
See?
Is he getting ready?
Yup.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. See that?
I'm about to say you yelling. Little thing. Do y'all see this?
We're half the food color. How could it be like a little tint of blue because of the tie?
Yeah, we didn't get food coloring. She didn't tell me that it's part of the ingredients or whatever to make this slime.
Hey, look
All
at
I know is, baby, it's so much stuff. Oh, Lord Jesus.
That was good. I'm finished.
You finished?
Yep.
Okay, now tell them how you store it.
What?
How you store it. What them silver containers for?
Okay.
Is it gonna get sticky on my hand?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Is it still wet? Oh, Jesus. All right, y'all. Here I go. Oh, Jesus. Okay, here I go.
Picking it up now.
Oh, how are you supposed to? It's a...
See, I told you. I said you picking it up.
Oh, girl. Are you gonna get your hands off me?
Let me turn your head over so I can
My man, I'm finna get... Oh, Jesus. All right, y'all. So, it got off me. Well,
You got the extra.
it got off me. All right, it got off me a little bit. I'm finna go wash my hands because I'm ready to eat.
We got to eat. So,
I'm ready to eat.
wait a minute.
Can we? Oh, she's doing her story in the container. It's not on me.
Put it like that.
Use this fork. All right, so we got a storage. We got one. Can y'all see that? There we go. One thing, okay, and then we're gonna put the rest in that one. She packing it off in there. Okay. Here we go. We're closing the container. It's a sealed container so it can stay. You want to keep it moist, right? You don't want to get it hard. Okay, I know that much. Okay, you got it in there?
And then we gotta put the extras.
What extra?
In that one.
What extra?
Extras up on my hand.
Girl, throw that stuff away. This is enough, honey. Oh, because you're going to pack this. This is enough.
No, we gotta put extras.
This is enough.
Okay.
Look, this one won't even close right. That's enough. Look,
Tape on it.
put some tape on it. Girl, it still closed a little bit, but it still just don't go all the way down. See?
Here goes the slide.
All right, you guys. So, that is Ayana's way. Ayana's way of making her slime. She will do another one. Don't y'all follow these instructions of this one. Don't be making no face behind my back. Don't y'all follow these instructions of this one, people. Because that was ridiculous. Like, I'm thinking she was going to have her container. I was going to have mine. We was going to do it together. I didn't know her plan was to. That's my fault though. That's my fault because I should have asked. Were we both doing it together instead of her doing it all by herself with this much freaking slime? Okay. All right, so that is our cue. The light said that's our cue to y'all end it. We I got it somewhere. I gotta find it. You ain't tell me you need. I actually all you need out here. All right, y'all. So now it's time for this seafood with these sausages and this corn that I'm about to do right quick. And we're gonna do a different video for that because this one is entirely too long. But oh well, it is what it is. Cause like I was telling one of the homies today, baby, I ain't got time for all the editing. My head ain't right. I gotta have like, you know, with a full-time job, it's hard to just sit down and edit. So like that's something I have to commit myself to doing on like a Saturday when I ain't just got no plans. Commit myself to just sit down and edit videos to post. Because I actually have a few, but my goal was to get them edited. And then, like, once you get started in it, that's the process. So, I'm sorry. So, everything might not be edited, but at the end of the day, we want to come to y'all real. We want to come to y'all live. So, whatever, if it ain't edited.
We can take some out this and put it in this one.
Girl, we finna leave this like this. Come on, let's get this stuff cleaned up. Put that top on there like that. So we finna get this stuff cleaned up. But again, so if you haven't done it already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Doll's Diary. Yana and me, myself, man, doll. We will come back and see y'all later. We love you. And of course, always remember, positive thinking
brings positive vibes, which turned out to be positive outcomes.
All right, y'all remember that. We love y'all. See y'all later.